Hello there, today I will show you that how I cut my own bangs. For it I do need a scissor and a comb. Here I am using a rectal comb as it will help me to make parting of my hair for my bangs. As now from the top edge of both of my eyebrow, I will take a certain part of my hair. Now very carefully I will separate my front hair from my other hair. Here I am taking like a semicircle shape part for my bangs. As I will clip my crown areas here behind my back, and I will tie a hair elastic to my remaining hair, so that it makes clear to you that what I am actually doing. Now to measure the thickness of my hair, for this cut, I will make a middle parting of my hair. As I will take 1 inch thick hair for my bangs, for that I will measure it by my finger. You may take up to 2 inch of hair to make it more thicker. As after taking 1 inch of hair, I will spray some water, as it's easy to cut hair while it's wet. As I am a right-handed person, that's why I will twist it towards to the left. Now I will cut my hair below the level of my lips, as I like to keep it long. But you may cut it below your nose level if you want to keep it smaller than my one. After cutting my hair horizontally, now I will cut it vertically, as this way of cutting will bring volume to my bangs. And it's done, as you can see how it looks after cutting it in vertically position. While it's still wet, I'm showing you how long my bangs are, as you may guess how it looks. Let me show you clearly how it really looks. And after dry look of my bangs, you can see volume into my bangs. As like this way I do cut my own bangs. If you liked my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye and see you next time.